today's event, the Chief Cook-Off. It's always an amazing event. Families coming together, cooking together. It really is one of our values, spending quality time with families. So today the challenge was for the kids and parents to make gourmet buri rolls, and then they could add their flavor and their toppings to make a really wonderful buri roll with a twist. And then the desserts were extra special. Those were flapjacks with all the trimmings, and it was just amazing how the creativity came through, and people just really brought their A game today.
It was really fun working with my mom because she helped me a lot with what I do.
Oh no, I had a lot of fun because he's my only boy, but he has two younger siblings, so we hardly spend time alone. So today was a lot of fun for me to spend some alone time with him.
He loves cooking at home.
But I just don't cook a lot at home.
Yeah, likes making the kitchen dirty.
Today I think I'm going to cook a lot.
The best part was having to taste our own creations and winning, of course. We never thought we'd win.
He's a little master chef at home. He enjoys being in the kitchen. So it was fun to watch him in this environment today. I think it suits him.
When you cook, you enjoy yourself and get to learn how to cook better every time you do it over and over.
I just want to say a thank you to everyone for putting in such hard work. Thank you to our sponsors, McCain's, Unilever, and Rascal's Fruit Juices. They came on board and they've been amazing in helping put this event together. I also want to say thank you to Jackie and her team with Liquid Lingo, as well as John Brown, for helping us making this event such a success.